Every time you wake your iPhone 17, the first thing you see is the lock screen. And if you don't like how it looks, the good news is you can completely customize it. You can change the clock style, adjust colors and depth effects, add widgets, and even replace the shortcut icons so the lock screen matches your style and the way you use your phone. Here's how to personalize the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. Go to your lock screen. Then touch and hold on an empty area until the Customize button appears. Make sure your current lock screen is selected, then tap Customize to enter edit mode. To change the date widget above the clock, tap it and choose a different widget if you prefer something else, or keep the date as is. To customize the clock, tap the time. In the Edit menu, you'll see Formatting and Style options. Tap the globe icon to choose a different number format or keep the default Arabic Western style. Under Font and Color, select your preferred font style, then drag the slider to adjust the font weight. You can also change the clock color using solid or gradient options and fine-tune it further using the color adjustment slider. Finally, choose between glass and solid text appearance. When you're done editing the clock, tap outside the menu to return to the main lock screen editor. To control the depth effect, tap the overlapping square icon at the bottom right and choose whether to keep depth effect on or turn it off. To change the lock screen appearance, tap the circle icon beside the depth effect icon and select Automatic, Light, or Dark mode. If you want to add widgets, tap the widget area below the clock and choose the ones you want, such as weather, calendar, or app shortcuts that you use frequently. You can also change the bottom lock screen shortcut icons. Tap the minus icon to remove the current one, then tap the plus icon to add a new control from the available options. Do the same for the other side if needed. Between the shortcut icons, you'll see a row of tiny dots. Each one represents a different lock screen style. Swipe left or right to preview various color themes and visual looks until you find one that fits your preference. Once you're happy with the design, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Your lock screen is now fully customized and tailored to your style and daily use. If you ever want to make adjustments, just repeat these steps to reopen the lock screen editor and tweak your layout, widgets, or colors. And that's it. If this helped you personalize your iPhone 17, give it a like and watch our other tutorials to discover more ways to make your device truly yours. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.